Hello students, in the previous video I have told you about addition and subtraction of 7 and 8 digit numbers. In this video I will explain you how to solve the word problems based on addition and subtraction. Whenever you are solving any word problem, the first thing which you have to do is you have to read the word problem carefully. आपको एक एक कीवर्ड पे ध्यान देना है. You have to focus on the keywords in order to analyze that in that question whether you have to do addition or subtraction. आपको ये कैसे पता चलेगा that in this question you have to do addition and in this question you have to do subtraction. So there are some keywords which are meant only for addition. These keywords are used only for addition and I have written it on the board. I will be giving you some examples also. The first keyword is total oblique sum. If there is a question in which this total or sum keyword is used, that means in that question you have to add. The example is find the total number of balls placed in box A, B, C, and in every box there will be some balls. So you have to find out the total. So this was the example of total. If there is a question like that, factory A produces this number of balls, factory B produces this number of articles. So find the sum of the articles produced by the factory. So what you have to do? You have to add them. Now the next keyword is together or all together. If there is a question, Rahul has scored 95 marks in Hindi, Rahul has scored 72 marks in maths, Rahul has scored 93 marks in English. How much he has scored all together? Then what you have to do? You have to add. Okay students, now if it is written in all, like on Monday the girl has written 5 letters, on Tuesday the girl has written 10 letters, on Wednesday she wrote 23 letters. How many letters in all were wrote by the girl? मतलब उस लड़की ने Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday तीनों दिन मिला के कितने letters लिखे? So what you have to do? You have to add. Now the next one is added to. अगर इस तरह का term आपको question में मिले, then also you have to add. How this is used in the questions, I will explain you. Like it will be written as 23 is added to 500. What is the result? यानी कि आपने 23 को 500 में add किया तो क्या result आया? यहाँ पर भी हमें क्या करना है? We have to add. अगर लिखा जाए increased by, जैसे कि आपको एक एग्जाम्पल देती हूँ, द रेंट ऑफ ए हाउस इज ₹5,000. इन द नेक्स्ट मंथ और इन द नेक्स्ट ईयर द लैंडलॉर्ड इंक्रीज द रेंट बाय 2,000 पर मंथ. नाउ हाउ मच रेंट रोहन हैज़ टू पे इन ऑल. यानी कि रेंट बढ़ने के बाद अब रोहन को एक महीने में कितना रेंट देना है? पहले वो 5,000 देता था. नाउ द रेंट इज इंक्रीज बाय हाउ मच? It is increased by ₹2,000. यानी कि यहाँ पे क्या होगा? You have to add 5,000 plus 2,000 is equals to 7,000. So 7,000 is the rent which is supposed to be paid by Rohan. Now I will tell you the keywords for subtraction. So the first keyword is difference. In addition, the first keyword was sum or total. In subtraction, the first keyword is difference. Difference means you have to find out the difference. The questions will be like that. Find the difference between 10 meter 40 centimeter and 8 meter 23 centimeter. So what you have to do? You have to subtract. And as I told you, while subtracting, the greater number or the bigger number will be kept at the top and the smaller number will be kept down. Okay students? Now the next term which can be used in the word problems of subtraction is left. For example, Neha has 23 toffees. She gave 5 toffees to her brother. Now how many toffees are left with Neha? यानी कि नेहा के पास कितनी toffees बची? That means what you have to do? You have to subtract. Now the next term is taller or shorter. If I say you, Rohan's height is 5 feet 6 inch. His sister is 2 inches shorter than Rohan. Then what you have to do? यू हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट, यानी कि रोहन की हाइट है 5 फीट 6 इंचेस और उसकी सिस्टर उससे 2 इंचेस छोटी है, तो आपको 2 इंचेस उसमें लेस करने पड़ेंगे। और या फिर आपके सामने ऐसा क्वेश्चन भी आ सकता है, हाइट ऑफ नेहा इज दिस एंड शी इज 5 सेंटीमीटर टॉलर, 5 सेंटीमीटर शॉर्टर देन हर ब्रदर, अपने भाई से 5 सेंटीमीटर छोटी है। देन व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू ऐड 5 in order to find out the height of her brother. And the next word which can be used is take away. Take away में आपको ऐसे क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं, take away 7 from 11, what will you get? यानी कि 11 में से आपको 7 निकालने हैं, then what will you get? Now the next term which can be used is less than. 5 less than 100 is what? 5 less than 100 is 95. 7 less than 10 is 3. These types of terms can also be used in the word problems of subtraction. Now the next term which can be used is decreased by. A tank was carrying 200 milliliters. A tank was holding 1 liter 200 milliliter of milk, out of which the student has taken 500 milliliter of milk. So the quantity is decreased by how much? Then what will you do? You will subtract. So these types of keywords are used in the problem of subtraction. Now I will take some examples. Okay, students? So I will be reading the first question for you. You have to tell me what I have to do in that question. The population of city A is 41,22,459 as I have written on the board. Now the population of city B is 25,225 more than the population of city A. What is the population of city B? We don't know. But the clue which is given is that the population of city B is 25,225 more than the population of city A. More than, that means what we have to do in this question? We have to add. Okay. Now how will we add? 9 plus 5 is 14. Now one carry will be there. Now it will be 5 plus 1. It will be 6 and 6 plus 2 will be 8. Now 4 plus 2, 6, 5 plus 2, 7, 2 plus 2, 4 and 1 plus 0, 4 plus 0. So the answer will be 41,47,684. Okay students. So this was the population of city B. Now I will do a next question for you. Firstly I am going to read it. So the next question is, Rohit owns a house worth rupees 99,25,000. Mohit purchases a house for rupees 1,22,55,671. Whose house is expensive and by how much? Now which term came? By how much? As I told you, by how much is used in the questions of subtraction. That means in this question we have to subtract. Now in subtraction, as I told you, the number which is greater is written on the top. So whose house is more expensive? Students, please tell me, Rohit or Mohit? Yes, you are right. The Mohit has purchased the house which is more expensive. The price is 1,22,55,671. This was the price of Mohit's house. Now what is the price of Rohit's house? The price of Rohit's house is 99,25,000. As I told you, I have to subtract in this question. So when I will subtract, 1 minus 0 is 1. 7 minus 0 is 7, 6 minus 0 is 6, 5 minus 5 is 0, 5 minus 2 is 3. Now from 2 we cannot subtract 9, we have to take carry, this will become 12, this will become 1. Now from 12 we have to take out 9, the answer will be 3. Now this 1 will become 11, it will become 0. So 11 minus 9 is 2. So what will be the answer? The answer will be 23,30,671. So, the Mohit's house is more expensive than the Rohit's house by 23,30,671. Now, on the basis of this video, I am going to give you 3 questions, 3 word problems. You have to solve them and you have to write the statements also. I hope you have understood the video carefully. Thank you so much, students.